Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio, and today I'm showing you a deconstructed envelope card and a variation. So I have done several of these so-called deconstructed envelope cards on my channel. I'll link at least one here, and there are several tutorials. I think I have at least 3 tutorials on variations on the theme, as it were. So there's a lot of opportunities for you to practice with those shapes, those types of cards. I did another one and I used a beautiful paper collection by Crafter's Companion. I'm not sure if this is still available because I have a huge stash and I am shopping my stash, guys. I'm on kind of a no buy or very low buy as far as papers are concerned. So this is Kimono, this collection, and it's kind of a Japanese theme, I guess, considering the name. It has lots of specialty papers, and especially its color story is what drew me in. So I created a deconstructed envelope card with I think 5 sheets from this collection. So let's have a look. And here is the end result. Fussy cut 2 butterflies from the design paper, inked the back of their little wings, stamped a sentiment, happy birthday. And look at this lovely paper, guys. Folding it open, and here's 2 spots to write a birthday wish. And of course we need some more because it's the entire team. So here's another one, and here are some more. So this is the entire overview. So there's 5 more spaces to write. I'm counting these 2 as 1. So you begin there and you write all the way down. So this is 5 spaces plus the number 6 here, so room for 6 people to write their birthday wishes. And it has a magnetized closure with a ribbon pull. And then for the back side, bird cages, specialty paper. Really like this paper. So there you go. So a lovely birthday wallet card. Now this one is super easy to make. Now it took me a couple of hours to make, but that doesn't mean it's difficult. It just takes time to make such things, but it's not difficult. You basically take an A4 paper and it's all about scoring in the right places. This type of card needs 2 gussets. So here's a 1/8 inch gusset and here's a 1/4 inch gusset. And these are crucial to keep your card closed. So that is crucial, and so you have to score in the right places. I took an A4 paper as a base. You can of course take a letter size, which would probably make these 2 panels here a bit shorter because letter size is less tall than A4, but the basic technique is actually the same. So if you want to know how to do this, check out my Instagram because there is a small photo tutorial on this specific card over there. So guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram where I am Katja's Craft. So you can go to Instagram for some photos of this specific card, but as I mentioned before in this video, there are, I think, at least 3 video tutorials on my channel on this and other kinds of deconstructed envelope cards. So don't forget to check that out if this has your interest. And I thought I'd show you a little variation for if you're in a hurry and you do want some kind of deconstructed envelope card, but you don't have the time. Like me, I only had about an hour, so I made this, I think, in under an hour, and it is practically the same card but different. So let me show you this one. Very simple, just a nice ribbon closure here, which looks a little bit like a present in my opinion. And then here I die cut happy birthday, and that's it. So I kept it elegant and simple and let the papers speak for themselves because it has beautiful butterflies, beautiful specialty paper here. And again, like the deconstructed envelope card, you fold it open. Only this time it has no side flaps, as you can see. So that is in fact the only difference really, and that is why it's a lot quicker to make. Also, it only needs 1 gusset. So the other one had a 1/8 inch gusset here and a 1/4 inch gusset over there. This one does not have a gusset here, simple fold, and then a 1/8 inch gusset over there. So it can close easily on top. That's it. You see it lays flat, so you could also do a magnetized closure easily if that is your preference. but I found that this is even quicker. This is what it looks like on the back side, again with the lovely specialty paper, but also look at the ribbon which disappears underneath the paper. So I think that is a very sophisticated way of doing it. You could also do it on the outside, of course. You would have to attach it so it wouldn't move around, and it makes it maybe even more like a present, but I found this more sophisticated personally. Also very easy to do. And there you have it. Alright, so now you have seen them both. You have the deconstructed envelope card and its little sister without the side flaps. This is a great time saver. Also, this closure takes you less time than a magnetic closure to create. This is way faster, I have to tell you. So let me run off, write this card and post it because it has to go on the mail today. Okay guys, hope to have given you some inspiration again. I love this paper, I have to say, and I also love this kind of card because it looks great and it's easy to create. Have fun crafting guys, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching, bye bye.